this demo, I'd like to show you how we can export the chart of account from Dynamics 365 using data management. I call it Export Chart of Account. It is an export project. What do I need? I can add an entity and specify the name, like for example, main accounts, because I already have a chart of account. I just like to export the main accounts. What data target format would you like to export it to? There are many options here. I use Excel, and at this time, I add all the fields. So in this scenario, I'm including the main account here. So the main accounts now is available. Let's look at the mapping. Here it shows the entity, which is the source data, which is actually available as an Excel, is going through the target, which is the table behind the scene of Dynamics. So the mapping is already there. Needless to say, you have capabilities in order to do additional settings. Like if the value is blank, should I ignore it or should I get an error? What is my text qualifier? Should I use the enum label instead of the value? Like if you have hot, cold, warm, and hot means 0, cold means 1, should I use warm or should I use 0, let's say? That's what it means. So the mapping is important. I already got that. Let's go ahead and export it. I click on export. The job is going through and has already exported that many main accounts. But is that what I really needed? 4,000 records? Let's take a look at the data package, and I can download that, and that creates this package for me, which has a manifest. There's a main account that not only brought over Brazilian, Japanese. I don't need all of these. So how do we deal with some sort of a project that you can actually only focus on certain data? There's a filter icon. Here I can add, and within the main account, if you may see a field such as, for example, company or legal entity, you could associate that here. And specifically for that legal entity, you can have that link. Some of them don't have it, such as the main account. Like as a matter of fact, if I type in C, you don't see even a company. So how could I filter that? Well, you could say applicable legal entities. I can come in here, and as you see, it's valid for all, but I can make it valid for a table. I've already cleaned this up. As you notice, it says SRHQ COA, and these are all the accounts that I have. Let's go ahead and even change a few other things. I like to change this to be Peli-COA, and I replace it all. There are 439 instead of 4,000. I'm setting this up, and I save it, close it. Now, I'm not going to export anymore. I'm going to import. Do an import. Call it import COA for Peli. If I add a file, entity name, I say main account, upload this file, and close it. It brought it over. Now, automatically picked up the sheet for me within the workbook, and all I need to do an import. If I refresh it, there are not 4,000, there are 439 pending, which you can view the staging data and see if they have any error. You can fix them, you can change them the way you like, but guess what? It brought everything over. As an option, you can go to the filter, take a look at any errors that there may be, the ones that are unfinished or that are pending still, and the one that has been successfully done, which is, as a matter of fact, is done. Now, let's take a look at General Ledger, chart of accounts, look at my Peli COA, and guess what? All of these accounts came over.